The JanFir CarPlay Adapter 2025 offers an ultra-fast wireless experience with its dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth protocol, ensuring a seamless connection for both iPhone and Android users. This smart AI box transforms your vehicle into a personal entertainment hub, allowing you to stream popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, and TikTok directly from your car. Enhanced with a new cooling system, this adapter maintains stable performance in extreme temperatures, making it reliable in both summer heat and winter cold. With wide compatibility, this plug-and-play device works with most factory-installed CarPlay systems, providing a smooth and native interface on your car's screen. Installation is quick and straightforward, requiring no vehicle modifications, and over-the-air updates keep your system up to date with the latest features. The JanFir CarPlay Adapter 2025 is backed by a responsive support team, ensuring any issues are addressed swiftly, enhancing the overall user experience.